Hey there, Zach with Varment Guard Wildlife Services here. Today we're at a local residence that's dealing with some birds. We're going to show you common areas of concern and how to address some of these issues that you may be experiencing at your residence. So one of the main things you can do as a homeowner is just make sure that you're inspecting the outside of your home, especially if you suspect you have bird issues. A lot of the times you can find the gaps and holes where birds are accessing your home with just a quick look around. One of the most common areas for birds to get in is these soffits here, which is actually that white slotted panel that runs down in junctions with the roof line there. That soffit ties directly into the attic, so a lot of the times that'll cause birds to actually end up inside your attic space. A lot of the times you can spot the entry points from the ground of where the birds may be going in. You know, some hot spots includes roof junctions specifically, the chimney, and then areas with overhang protection where they could build nests or roosts. When you're inspecting the house, if you've noticed some droppings or nesting material on the ground, you might want to start looking around that area. That could be really close to where your area of concern is. Well, it looks like this vent here is exposed. Looks like there's some nesting material coming out of there. So we'll grab a ladder and grab some tools, and we'll see if we can't get that nesting material out and cap that vent for them. That way this doesn't happen again. So anytime you're dealing with birds or their nesting material, it's important to remember that they have a lot of different diseases. So with that being said, you're going to want to make sure you take the proper safety precautions and wear some safety gear while you're dealing with their nests. For example, this one probably runs right to a bathroom fan inside the house. So these same contaminants can fluctuate back and forth throughout that vent. I mean, this does go into the interior of your home. Removing nests is something you guys can actually do on your own, but an important reminder too is that their birds will more than likely keep coming back unless you actually fix the vent and close off the hole and deny the birds access into the vent itself. So now that we've inspected all the soffits, the vents, and other areas where birds may be getting in on this residence, we actually capped the vent that the birds were actually active in. So with that cap being installed, the nesting material removed and sanitized, these customers are officially bird-free for the time being and should be for the foreseeable future. And remember, if you're having trouble getting rid of persistent birds, you can always call Varment Guard.